HyperSTE is a software platform that provides content optimization and quality assurance for technical writers. It analyzes text and identifies areas for improvement in terms of clarity, consistency, and compliance with industry standards and guidelines, such as Simplified Technical English, the Microsoft Style Guide, Plain Language, and others. Benefits include less product downtime, safe product use, and ultimately a better customer experience, while you're also reducing content up to 40%, which saves time and money on writing and translations. HyperSTE is directly integrated into your authoring environment, including ArborText, Word, Oxygen, FrameMaker, and Flair, where you can use HyperSTE to check your content against numerous writing rules that check for correct use of terms, grammar, and style. HyperSTE can also provide AI-generated suggestions to help you rewrite full sentences, which can save you up to 75% time in rewriting and reviewing. HyperSTE also has a reporting feature that scores your documentation against these writing rules and gives you quality metrics with areas for improvement. HyperSTE also includes a terminology management system that ensures consistent use of terms and writing style across all of your company's documentation. Last but not least, HyperSTE can be fully customized to meet your specific quality scoring needs. For instance, it's possible to create profiles that have rules enabled or disabled, plus you can also define which terms are allowed or not, and even do conditional checking based on XML tags or styles. As a service, we help you get the best out of your content by assisting you with the setup of your term base and by training your writers on how to create the best possible content. HyperSTE is available as a cloud version as well as an on-premise version. Contact us today for a free trial version or to see how HyperSTE can help you get the most out of your content.